Ever tried to buy something when your bank account balance was too low? That is an overdraft. Let us break down how it works. An overdraft happens when you spend more money than you actually have available in your checking account. These fees can add up quickly. A single coffee purchase could end up costing you $35 or more in bank penalties. You might trigger an overdraft through everyday habits like forgetting a recurring subscription payment or miscalculating your remaining balance. An overdraft is different from a non-sufficient funds return, where the bank simply rejects your payment entirely. This chart shows how a small $5 transaction can balloon into a $40 total cost once the bank fee is included. Staying aware of your spending is the best way to avoid these unnecessary charges. Thanks for watching. Understanding your bank's policies can save you money. Check your account settings today to see your current overdraft protection options.